Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What are the large stone statues on Easter Island called? Is it A. Moai statues, B. Totem poles, or C. Easter statues? It is A. Moai statues. What is a duet typically known for in music? Is it A. Large choir, B. Solo instrument, or C. Two performers? It is C. Two performers. What type of art is Amedeo Modigliani best known for? Is it A. Abstract sculpture, B. Portrait painting, or C. Landscape photography? It is B. Portrait painting. What is the primary theme explored in absurdism literature? Is it A. Historical events, B. Emotional relationships, or C. Meaninglessness of life? It is C. Meaninglessness of life. Which symphony is Ludwig van Beethoven best known for composing that features the Ode to Joy? Is it A. Third Symphony, B. Fifth Symphony, or C. Ninth Symphony? It is C. Ninth Symphony. What is the primary technique used in judo to throw an opponent? Is it A. Suai-nage, B. Karate chop, or C. Taekwondo kick? It is A. Suai-nage. What type of reactor experienced a catastrophic failure during the Chernobyl disaster in 1986? Is it A. BWR reactor, B. PWR reactor, or C. RBMK reactor? It is C. RBMK reactor. Which hit song is Maroon 5 known for that features the lyrics "Sugar, Yes Please"? Is it A. Animals, B. Maps, or C. Sugar? It is C. Sugar. Which city hosted the first Super Bowl in 1967? Is it A. Miami, B. Los Angeles, or C. New York? It is B. Los Angeles. What is the primary focus of the podcast, TED Talks Daily? Is it A. Political news, B. Inspiring ideas, or C. Sports updates? It is B. Inspiring ideas. Which river is known as the fourth longest river in Africa and flows through 6 countries, including Zambia and Zimbabwe? Is it A. Nile, B. Zambezi, or C. Congo? It is B. Zambezi. What beauty platform is James Charles best known for in relation to makeup tutorials? Is it A. YouTube, B. Instagram, or C. TikTok? It is A. YouTube. What is the name of the famous statue located on Liberty Island in New York City? Is it A. David, B. Christ the Redeemer, or C. Statue of Liberty? It is C. Statue of Liberty. What is the primary focus of the Center for International Environmental Law? Is it A. International business, B. Environmental law, or C. Human rights? It is B. Environmental law. Which animal behavior primarily uses scent marking to establish territory? Is it A. Dogs, B. Birds, or C. Fish? It is A. Dogs. What type of software is HubSpot primarily known for? Is it A. Accounting tools, B. Marketing automation, or C. Graphic design? It is B. Marketing automation. What type of artistic work is Ai Weiwei most known for? Is it A. Photography, B. Literature, or C. Sculpture? It is C. Sculpture. What is the primary ingredient used to create adobo sauce in Filipino cuisine? Is it A. Soy sauce, B. Vinegar, or C. Coconut milk? It is B. Vinegar. Which type of animal only eats plants? Is it A. Herbivore, B. Carnivore, or C. Omnivore? It is A. Herbivore. What is the primary purpose of Google Analytics? Is it A. Social media management, B. Email marketing, or C. Website traffic analysis? It is C. Website traffic analysis. What language is Malayalam? Is it A. Indian, B. Chinese, or C. Arabic? It is A. Indian. Who invented the first practical automobile powered by an internal combustion engine? Is it A. Henry Ford, B. Nikola Tesla, or C. Carl Benz? It is C. Carl Benz. What is the primary format of competitive play in Magic: The Gathering known for its constructed deck rules? Is it A. Limited, B. Draft, or C. Standard? It is C. Standard. What is the primary function of RNA in cells? Is it A. Energy storage, B. Protein synthesis, or C. Genetic material? It is B. Protein synthesis. In which novel by Harper Lee does Atticus Finch serve as a moral role model and defend a black man accused of rape? Is it A. The Great Gatsby, B. Go Set a Watchman, or C. To Kill a Mockingbird? It is C. To Kill a Mockingbird. What is Sao Paulo known for being in Brazil? Is it A. Largest city, B. Capital city, or C. Tourist destination? It is A. Largest city. Which song features the lyrics, "When I'm away from you, I'm happier than ever" by Billie Eilish? Is it A. Happier than ever, B. Bad Guy, or C. Ocean Eyes? It is A. Happier than ever. What is a primary advantage of using LED lights compared to traditional incandescent bulbs? Is it A. Energy efficiency, B. Color variety, or C. Longer length? It is A. Energy efficiency. Who is Bia Kofi? Is it A. Ghanaian actress, B. Music artist, or C. Politician? It is A. Ghanaian actress. What is the name of the clownfish who is searching for his son in Finding Nemo? Is it A. Bruce, B. Dory, or C. Marlin? It is C. Marlin. In folklore, what is a werewolf typically known to transform into during a full moon? Is it A. Zombie, B. Vampire, or C. Wolf? It is C. Wolf. What school of philosophy did Zeno of Citium found? Is it A. Epicureanism, B. Stoicism, or C. Cynicism? It is B. Stoicism. Which river is Shanghai located near? Is it A. Pearl River, B. Yellow River, or C. Yangtze River? It is C. Yangtze River. What is the primary genre of the song Good For You by Olivia Rodrigo? Is it A. Pop punk, B. Jazz, or C. Classical? It is A. Pop punk. What is the main event in cricket for national teams? Is it A. NBA Finals, B. Cricket World Cup, or C. Super Bowl? It is B. Cricket World Cup. What is the primary purpose of a compass in navigation? Is it A. Chart maps, B. Measure distance, or C. Determine direction? It is C. Determine direction. What is the most widely spoken language in the world, also known as Mandarin? Is it A. Japanese, B. Korean, or C. Chinese? It is C. Chinese. Which ocean does the Barents Sea primarily connect to? Is it A. Indian Ocean, B. Atlantic Ocean, or C. Arctic Ocean? It is C. Arctic Ocean. What type of sauce is béarnaise commonly recognized as? Is it A. a type of salad dressing, B. a classic French sauce, or C. a dessert topping? It is B. a classic French sauce. What separates Russia and Alaska? Is it A. Strait of Gibraltar, B. Bering Strait, or C. English Channel? It is B. Bering Strait. What is the main principle of rationalism in philosophy? Is it A. Empirical evidence, B. Reason as the primary source of knowledge, or C. Sensory experience? It is B. Reason as the primary source of knowledge. What is the capital city of Belgium known for the Atomium and Grand Place? Is it A. Brussels, B. Antwerp, or C. Ghent? It is A. Brussels. Which hit song is Khalid known for that features the lyrics "Location, Location"? Is it A. Location, B. Talk, or C. Better? It is A. Location. Which ancient civilization was primarily established along the banks of the Tigris River? Is it A. Mesopotamia, B. Nile, or C. Indus? It is A. Mesopotamia. What role do keystone species play in an ecosystem? Is it A. Increase species competition, B. Maintain ecological balance, or C. Decrease biodiversity? It is B. Maintain ecological balance. What is the main purpose of a logarithm in mathematics? Is it A. To solve exponential equations, B. To calculate averages, or C. To measure angles? It is A. To solve exponential equations. What is the primary purpose of mitosis in cell division? Is it A. Protein synthesis, B. DNA synthesis, or C. Cell replication? It is C. Cell replication. What is the next number in the Fibonacci sequence after 8? Is it A. 11, B. 12, or C. 13? It is C. 13. What is the primary use of a hypodermic needle? Is it A. Measuring blood pressure, B. Sewing fabric, or C. Injecting substances? It is C. Injecting substances. What type of sauce is typically used with chimichangas? Is it A. Pesto, B. Salsa, or C. Tzatziki? It is B. Salsa. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.